In this video, you will see what happens when one speaks English in front of a camera for the first time. As he is a beginner, I will show you mistakes also he has made while speaking you shouldn't make. Watch and learn. How are you feeling?
I am feeling very good and comfortable here.
When did you come here?
I did come here 6:10 o'clock. 6:10.
When will you go back from here?
I will go back from here around 7 o'clock.
Look at the camera while speaking.
Okay, sir.
How many days have you spent here and what have you learned yet?
I spent around 16 days here and I learned so many things. I repeat sentence like a small children's. So in childhood we studied like same manner. Sir asks some sentence and children repeat them and repeat them. We are continue like this and I feel I am doing my hard work and I will find my feet within 2 months well, and I can speak about any topic in any time.
Is this your first time you are speaking in front of the camera?
Yes, sir. This is my first time I am speaking to front of camera.
If you get a chance to perform again, I think you will be confident.
Yes, sir. When I will perform second time, I boost my confidence.
Do you want to say something to us as we are learners? We are learning English.
If you want to learn English, you have to make friend. You have to make friendship with English. You have to give some times to English to learn English. If you don't spend time in English, you can't speaking and you can't talk to anyone. And you can also watch English movies, songs. You can also, when you have free times, you can listen song. You take your earphone and plug it your ears and listen so many songs. Generally you have also 2 GB data per day if you can't use, so you have a opportunity to use better of this data. Generally I am nowadays I am going to job, and when I sat on rickshaw and I take my earphones and I plug on my ears, then I am starting to listen songs, and around 45 to 50 minutes I listened English songs. Then same thing with I came from office, same thing I will. And when I am going to sleep, then I watch some speaking topics like social media, like social media about, and I listen some fairy tales in English, and I try to speak and try to understand all things. Fairy tales can be understand easily because it's going picture, and I understand something. I understand to see pictures what is going on, and lyrics is also I can see. That's why I understand all fairy tales. Thank you to listen me, all of you. May God bless you.
Please clap for him.